It spider crawls. Okay.
Yay.
Okay, next. Hmm?
What?
Do you think?
I like fly.
Okay.
Because it's a bird.
Yeah. What else? Dog what? Okay, next.
Swim. Hey.
Dropped.
Swim.
What? Cat. Oh, what's the sound of cat first?
No.
Meow. So where's the cat there? Where's that cat? I think the cat. Where is it? Here? Here's the cat.
Cat.
Okay. Where's the cat?
Welcome to Animap. Cat. The cat says
Meow.
Oh.
the pet.
Cat eats mice.
Press.
The cat eats fish and mice and drinks milk.
Ooh. And then the fun facts. The fun facts. The smiley face.
Owl.
Owl. Say the sound first.
Owl.
Owl.
Boo.
Okay.
The owl.
Boo. Boo.
The owl says
Boo. Boo.
Okay. The book. Press the book.
What's he?
Press the book.
He's a mammal?
Bird.
the owl is a bird.
A bird. Next. Again.
Wolf.
Wolf. Oh, what's the sound of wolf?
Woo.
Ooh. Anon?
Woo.
See you later, alligator.
Ala.
Wolf.
Mm.
The wolf says
Press the book.
the wolf is a mammal.
Yeah. Press.
The wolf lives in the forest and in the mountains.
Very good. Next. He eats what?
The wolf mainly eats deer, groundhogs, and beavers.
Oh.
Beaver.
Okay. Press the other one.
What is this?
Ladybug. The rooster says
First.
What's that? He's a bird.
the rooster is a bird.
Yes.
Who's the farm?
Okay.
Who's the
The rooster is a farm animal.
Very good now. Oh, they eat.
The rooster eats grain.
Greens.
The rooster crows when the sun rises.
What's the sound of goat?
Yeah.
Meh. Okay.
The goat.
Where's the goat?
Where is the goat?
Find it.
Where is the goat?
There.
Good.
Yeah.
Goat.
You say
The
bye.
goat says,
Eh.
Lamb.
the goat is a mammal.
Mama.
Mhm.
The goat lives in the mountains and in the prairies.